Everyone, Tim Brown here, Director. For this Chroma Key workshop, we're going to cover 6 applications that you can use on your mobile device to key out your background using green screen videos. This is post-production video editing. The first application is iMovie. Using iMovie for iPad, we're going to start with the base layer. In this case, I've added a photo as my base layer in this project. I'm going to select the plus symbol on the top right, and I'm going to then select a video with a green screen background. You're going to choose the option where there are 3 dots. You're then going to select green/blue screen. That's going to drop the green screen video on top of your base layer, and iMovie will automatically remove the background. You can make some slight adjustments by selecting the green screen video, and then in the top right corner, selecting the slider to strengthen your key. You also have the option to crop the video. The next application that's also free for iOS is called Velo, V-L-L-O. Let's take a look. In Velo, you can see I've also added a base layer. You're going to also choose an option to add an overlay. In this case, you're going to select PIP or PIP, also known as picture-in-picture. You're going to then select video, and you're going to choose one of your green screen videos. In this case, I'm going to choose a slightly different figure. And you can see here you actually have some more options to adjust the size of your video, and you can move that video around and place it where you want as your overlay. Next, we're going to go ahead and key out the background. To do that, you're going to select Chroma Key in the bottom menu to the far right here, and you'll see a circle appear above the video. This is going to enable you to then select the color that you want to key out, in this case, green. It will automatically key out that background, but you see there's still a light green line around the figure. So you can use the saturation, brightness, and hue control features on the bottom to make these adjustments so you get it exactly the way you want it. The next application is also free, but it does come with an option for subscription. It's called CapCut, C-A-P-C-U-T. Similar to the other 2 applications, you can add a photo and or video as your base layer. In this case, you're going to choose the option Overlay. Then you're going to select Add Overlay and go to your library and bring in the green screen video that you want to add. And likewise, you see here, you can adjust the size of your overlay video. And of course, next, what you want to do is key out your background. In this particular case, you're going to choose the option Remove BG or Remove Background. You're going to have 3 options: Auto Removal, Custom Removal, and Chroma Key. You're going to choose the Chroma Key option, and you're going to likewise move the circle around to select the green that's in the background. This will help you key out the background. You can also make adjustments to the shadow or clean up the edge until you get it exactly the way you want it. The next option is a paid version, a little expensive. It's about $64 or $65. It's called Video Leap. Inside Velo, you can see there is also a photo as a base layer. What we're going to do here is select Overlay, and we're then going to choose Media. This is going to prompt you to select a video from your library. Similar to the other applications, you can make adjustments to the size and reposition your green screen where you want it. The next step, of course, is keying out your background. And there are many different options here to choose from. You have Remove BG or Remove Background, similar to Velo, but in this case, what you're going to choose is Chroma. Likewise, you're going to see a circle that's going to allow you to, basically this is a color picker, and it's going to key out that green color background. Down below, you'll see that there are some additional tools that you can use in Video Leap, including intensity. The intensity will enable you to fine-tune just how much of the key you want to remove, especially that green line that will show up around the figure. Okay, the next application that I want to cover is called InShot. This application is free as well as paid. You should be able to start right away with the free version. You're going to start by selecting video to start a new project. You're going to select photo or video as your base layer. In this case, I'm going to choose a photo. And to add a video overlay or green screen video, in this case, you're going to select the PIP option, and you're going to then go to Video Assets and bring in the video that you have in your library. Similar to the other applications, you're going to choose the option Cut or Cut Out. Inside this menu, you're going to see the option Chroma Key. You're going to move the circle or color picker to choose the background, and then you're going to use the strengthening tool to perfect your key, mainly to remove the green outline. Okay, the last application I want to cover is LumaFusion. It's about $30 or $40. It's a one-time fee. It does not come with a subscription. As you can see inside LumaFusion, I have a base layer, in this case a photo, and I'm going to add a green screen video over top of it. You can see that my library can be accessed from the left. I'm just going to tap on that thumbnail and just drag it as a second layer. To edit this video, you're going to double tap, and it's going to bring up a separate set of menu options. You're going to choose the picture icon in the bottom right where it says color and effects, and then you're going to choose the key icon in the top right corner, and you're going to choose color and Luma keyers. And as you can see, that's going to remove the background automatically, and you have a lot more menus to choose from if you want to fine tune your key. In this case, it seems like we're pretty good, so I'm going to select the frame and fit option and begin to resize this video. And those are the 6 applications that I recommend when using Chroma key editing.